had to chase the girls away from him at 18.
John transition of John transition of because in never go to them. But they just do a little hangman there. God knows. You're kind of trying to get in a wee bit. Right, so the time now is 15:09, and this is where you're 15:09, and now shows from Catholic at the Lawn Harbour, Longtown, or Whitehead. Today's location today is Whitehead. And then the next one will be Troopers, which is Troopers Lane. Once I the way hot finger where the man goes in, and I know him.
You're back on duty. Long time I haven't seen you.
I'm just sitting the answer there. Haven't seen the wee man in a long time.
No, does he still remember me?
The wee man,
yeah, because
yeah. He's going to get you a lollipop or something.
Surprising that he still remembers.
Oh wait a minute, he sent that girl there. He hadn't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, he hasn't really. I haven't really seen him in a while. It's good. It's glad to see that the thing's back on again. Is this going to Lawn Harbour? No, it's Longtown. 4627. Tickets and information. Exit Jordanstown campus. Ticket.
I have a tripod in the back. You know, you got it in the country just, did you?
Oh yeah, I probably should have got it, but oh well, it was because I was rushing. Look, that's a new thing right there. Like a new sign
No,
right
it's
there.
coming, it's going down, Jack.
So that is, that's a timetable for the whole network. Now you didn't get that here, alright?
We're on the stopping to fix it. We guess we
It's easy 7. Thank you. Thanks anyway.
Do I want to know?
Was easy 7 yes.
Hear that the man says?
They're putting all new cable down between White Abbey and Belfast, so the whole line will be